mega love shout out si Ryan, si Irish. So this is a surprise gift for no occasion. Unboxing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be singer na. How to use these loves. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Are you excited? Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Oh wow. So what is this? Squarock. Professional condenser microphone. So there's a microphone.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Another microphone again. Ooh, color black. I have a color black. Oh wow.
Well, now you have another one that matches.
Oh, red loves on.
Oh.
Ta-dan, ta-dan, ta-dan. Headphone. And the one. And oh, there's a lots of sockets, loves. Oh, how to assemble this? I need you here. Oh my
I'm sure
god.
you'll figure it out, babe.
So this is for the microphone.
Yeah.
Okay. And of course the microphone again. And for the microphone again. So we assemble first the microphone. Look. The microphone. This one.
Yeah.
And then we will do it. Hello, Martes. Oh, I see. Okay, we will test later. Alright, and then maybe put it here. Dynamic. Maybe here, dynamic, right, loves? Oh no. Which one? Oh, this one. There's a microphone over there. This one. Alright. And then, so this is the stick of the microphone. I think. And this one for the headphone over there. For the laptop. He press this heart. There's a song. Na 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 na. And then, oh wow, nice sounds. Mwah. Mwah. And then laughing. Yo. Ready. Go. Oh wow. That's cool.
Yeah, you let me know, but I plan and see. Just let me go. I'm on my knees while I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-ta-ta-ta. I'm begging you. And put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging.